Hey guys, welcome to Chi's Kitchen and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So in this video I'm going to make spicy onion garlic rice. It's actually a very simple, easy, quick to make rice recipe and also healthy because it has onion and garlic in it. Now let's see how to make this simple rice dish. In a pan I'm adding oil and ghee. So mainly it's ghee but with a little bit of oil. To the ghee I'm adding mustard seeds, cinnamon, fennel seeds. You can even add jeera, but I like fennel, curry leaves. Next I'm going to add garlic. Next I'm adding onions. Next I'm adding salt for the dish. Next for the spice, I'm going to add some chilli powder, some Asafoetida, and I've already added salt. I'm going to mix everything and I'm going to let it cook for about a minute. So it's been a minute and I'm going to add rice, and I wash this about 3 times to take off the starch. Adding water, coriander leaves, so I'm going to let this cook till the rice is completely cooked, and basically the dish is done. It is very simple. So there you go, it's done. That looks so delicious. Look at the rice. Wow, that is so good. So yes guys, garlic onion rice is done. I'm gonna have a taste of it. It's really hot. Wow, such a simple rice can taste this yummy. Awesome. Ghee is one important factor in this rice. It's so flavorsome with very less ingredients and spicy. I love this. I'm gonna have this for my lunch. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care everyone. Bye bye.